Good morning, guys. It is Monday, February 16th, President's Day. So, markets are closed, but futures are open. Um, just as we spoke about last night, I said I was bearish, but we were kind of floating up in these green channels. Um, you see, after we hit our entry uh, and passed our combine, we remained sort of in this channel with this top line as resistance. Came down, broke below it, then popped back above it. So interesting to see where we're headed. Got the move that I was kind of hoping to take early this morning. I would have loved a little micro head and shoulders entry off of this line here, which we kind of got here, popped down below, and then a sell off. So we kind of got that, but I missed it. So we'll see what else the market wants to give us today. Just trying to see if this is, so if I am going to take any shorts, I really do want it to be within this channel at a minimum. So this is what I'm seeing now. It's the steepest selling channel that we've had all night. So if you are to get in any shorts, it should, you'll want it to continue down in that type of channel. So we'll see what the market does here. This could be sort of a cup close down here, which I love cup closes. Gives you a good entry, cup close at a key level. Look for a handle, head and shoulders, bear flag, and then on the break of that bear flag, that's where you would execute your short. So just going to be patient this morning. It is a holiday, low volume, so we'll see what the market gives us. May take a trade, may not, but we'll see. Yeah, so at a pretty significant support level here, lower VWAP band, plus yesterday's or previous day VWAP. Also got my pivot points on here for NQ. Market likes to use those. As you can see, bounce right at these pivot levels. This pivot level earlier, and then didn't quite make it up to a weekly pivot. You know, I'm almost starting to see this, and I haven't charted this algo yet. It really is looking like something. See how he bounced off it once, bounced off it twice, came down, bounced off it again, rejected off of it. So that's, I think I'm gonna keep that up, although I don't know what. I need blue. Oh yeah, then off of this, and then this, dude, come on. Yeah, that's there for sure. All over the place. 100% that is showing today. Okay. So here's what I want to see then. No, it didn't really work out that way. Feel free to ignore some of my lines. I just kind of throw them up at first to see where else they're lining up. I'll go ahead and delete this one for now. I'm not really seeing anything, although we could anticipate price coming down here. See if we bounce at that level as well. Hard to tell now what we want to do. As I was talking about last night, sort of putting a limit order down at 6,800 on ES. I ended up removing that. I was hoping that we would go down overnight, tag that level, and then maybe bounce, but it's looking like we may want to visit that level today. Okay, getting a nice bounce off of this flag support. So yeah, it's not immediately apparent now. We could be building a bullish flag structure. And even if we break down past this, breaking back up into it, finding support off of this lower line, and then continuing to move up, that would be also a bullish move. So we're just going to see what the market presents here. 2 minutes before New York open. Again, it's a holiday, so the normal market isn't open, but we do tend to get an influx of volume at that 9:30 time. No, you can't. No. I don't know. All right, the market's open. I don't know. I'd have to look into it. But Daddy's trying to work right now, okay? Can you give me a few minutes? Thanks. All right, I would off of this bounce here. I mean, again, it's real low volume. Because we made, for overnight, we made such a long move down here. I don't think I would take this rejection of this channel as a short. I mean, just from here, 770 down here, yeah, it's only 15 points. And the market could easily pop out of here. And this would be a great liquidity to grab. I may take a long up to that pivot. See what price wants to do. Wants to stay in that channel. See if we can break out of here. My son's big into Pokemon right now, so he's asking if Mew or Mewtwo evolves into anything. He's asking Google. To run, break. Nope, we're back. Still in the channel. Okay. Looks like we want to break out of here. I don't want to take that break yet. I would love for us to come back and retest orange. Because the break isn't clean. Yeah, see, breaking back in. And we're closing back into it, so. Six, seven. Let's see what we do here. This is a pretty lame open. I mean, as expected, right? I would love retest of the pivot and that weekly open that we got above there at that 792. I'd take that all day. Limit at 6.3. I'm going to put a stop by at 6.3.5. 7.63.5.
Order filled.
Oh, we're filled. Looking to squeeze up. Break below this and I'll be out. And holding. Yeah.
Order filled.
Stopped. Trying to break out. I'll take another break at 760 if we get there. Would love a quick snap. Back up. But it doesn't look like we're gonna get it. Key level here. Also looking like a sort of a cup close. So I'd love this reclaim of pink. And not a rejection of it. Okay. See where this candle closes. Push them right back down. Again, right at that level. Below VWAP. Well below VWAP. But yesterday's VWAP on ES. Could be a place where people are looking to buy. Or we just flush. I mean, there's always that. Yeah. Market wants a little bit farther down. See if we want to just take out that wick and then we have ES. ES hasn't taken it out, so we may have more downside. I'm gonna pivot on ES. think I might want to try a quick little long down here, finding support. Just need to break that damn orange. Gonna try along here.
Order filled.
And we go just straight down. Bounce off the pivot, looking for a reclaim of yesterday's VWAP. Ooh, that's not good. Didn't hit. Didn't take me out. Why not? Better take me out. Yeah.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay, so I'm not doing too hot in day one. Poor trading conditions, probably should have known. See if we can't bounce back. We are almost at the point of no return. Down almost $1,500. So I've got 500 left, baby. One more shot. Maybe if I stop taking longs as we travel down in this channel, I keep trying to front run it, and then that's what's getting me whacked every time. All right. ES want to hold previous closing price. Would love to see it. Again, we're still on that channel, so I gotta wait. We're just firmly in the selling channel. Okay. Let me try another high risk, see if we coming up to pivot. Can we reclaim pivot? No. And down we go. Okay, bottom of the channel. Let's get a bounce here.
Order
All right,
filled.
I'm in. Back up to, what was that, 790? Yeah. And then pretty much at a 10-point stop. We would get a bounce here, so I'm gonna Trying to hold the bottom of the channel. That's what I'm going for. Come on, buyers, step in. Just not stepping in. I need you to step in. Just hugging the bottom of that channel. I even want to slip through. It's not looking good. Need some pretty quick, aggressive buying here. I mean, aggressive for a holiday. I like it because there's all this liquidity up here. Just want to grab it. Getting a decent move. I just don't want it. Hopefully it doesn't reject off of that upper channel. Good. See what we do here at pivot. Yes, pivot, I mean. Okay. We gotta break out of orange at some point, right? Just break out already. Come on. This close. Oh, nice. Close above. Here we go. Reclaiming pivot on ES, hopefully. I want it to go. Where are we here? Okay. I'm liking the move so far. There's enough liquidity to grab here. Just need to keep going up. pop up here to pink, I'll move my stop. I mean, I'll move it to break even now. All right, stop at break even. I want to give it a little bit of room to breathe, just because we've got, what was it? We're at yesterday's value area low at 732, so it could easily come back. Yeah, love to see it reclaim pink here. See, we were just a little early on the move. All right, I don't want it rejecting here. So I will move my stop to value area low here. $37. At least it'll keep me in for another. What's that? 737? Yeah. That's my stop now. There we go. Get back in that buying channel. ES may reclaim yesterday's VWAP. It was a good move. So far, what, 57 points so far? Not bad. Off the low, like right off the low. But this is where trying to capture the whole move can come biting you in the ass. But again, my stops are at 737, which is a almost 40-point move. And I'll no longer be in the red on this funded. Not incredible performance on the first day of the funded. But we'll see how this goes. I'll push up just a little bit higher. I'm at 88 quart and a quarter. Let's put it right there. Nice move so far. To me, this is like great liquidity to grab, unless we're trying to do anything else. I would love to keep going. All right, what was that? 70 points now. Let's what did we don't get hung up here. We'd like to keep pushing. We're so close. Going for full move. Oh, we were so close. Be a shame to hang up here. We're still vertical, guys. Like, that is straight up off the lows. Minor pullbacks. So we haven't cleanly left, I guess, this trend line that I've just charted on off the lows. I want to start seeing how these candles close now. Be a good time to start trailing my stop. $7.58. $7.58. Move this to $7.58. Just one more push, baby. Okay, it'll probably stop me out here. Because now we're breaking out of that buying channel. So unless we get a quick pop up here, I'd consider this one done. It was a good run, right? It was a really good run. Got me back to in the green for the day. So can't argue with that. Oh, well, looks like we might hit. Nothing stopping us now. Keep going. Oh, you didn't. Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
I'm just going to close that. That's crazy. All right, order filled there. It was good. Oh, now we take it. So 90 points off the low. Listen, I'm not going to sit here and brag. Performance was not stellar. Yeah. I'll move this over. So yeah, you can see I just kept trying to buy those. I just kept trying to take the move early, break at that orange channel. buying. But then, once we got to a decent place to buy, should have just remained patient and taken it and waited to take it from the bottom of the channel anyways. And we were close to this level, honestly, dude. How close is that? That just shows me my placement of that channel was off. Look at that reaction off that. So it was 100 points. So it was a good trade. I'm not gonna press my luck anymore. Just to recap, we had 2 losing trades to start. Normally that's a sign to sign off and shut it down. We were down $1,500 and a $2,000 drawdown on the 50Ks, and then just hit a banger 90-point trade to get us out of it. So not proud of the performance, but we lived to fight another day, and that was definitely a stupid holiday trade session. Probably should have traded a little lighter, but hey, we made it. That doesn't always happen. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm the greatest trader, because that was pretty poor performance. All we can do is learn from it and come back again tomorrow and not do the same thing. So thank you guys for tuning in. Any questions or comments, just hit me below in the comments. And then yeah, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.